Hey you guys, what is up? I hope you all are doing good. If you are here for the first time, hi, I'm Kalpana. I make makeup and lifestyle related videos, and if this is something that you like to watch, then make sure you subscribe to my channel for more such videos and hit the bell icon so that YouTube notifies you every time I'm putting up a new video. Alright, today I'm going to create my signature makeup look that looks like this on my face. This is also my comfort look, and every time I'm stepping out I'm most likely to do this makeup look. And in today's video I'm going to show you how easy it is to do this makeup look. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Before starting on with makeup, I just make sure my skin is moisturized well. So I'm just taking my regular moisturizer and I'll just apply a generous amount of it on my face. This moisturizer is from Simple. As the name says, it is very moisturizing and lightweight at the same time. You just don't feel this on your face. I had lip balm earlier, but it seems coffee has just taken that off from my lips. So I'm reapplying my lip balm. I'm using this overnight intensive treatment lip mask from Earth Rhythm. For primer, I like to go with something that is very hydrating and lightweight. And honestly, I don't have very crazy big pores, so I don't need those heavy silicone based primers to cover up those pores. So out of all the primers that I have, these two primers are my favorite one, like my go-to primers. And this one is from Colorbar, Perfect Matte Primer Water Quench Me. You must have seen me using this primer on my channel a lot of times, because since I've got this, I literally use it every alternate day, and it is still halfway. So yeah, that's amazing. And this one is Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Smooth. I got this primer a few months back and I have been loving this primer so much. So today I'm just feeling like using this primer. I'm just spraying this on my face. I've just concentrated this primer on my cheeks more, because whatever pores I have, these are in this area only. Just I don't have much. I don't know if you have noticed, but I'm using Kaybeauty Hydrating foundation a lot more recently than I used to use this earlier when I actually got it, because I'm just loving this foundation, especially for those very lightweight, natural and dewy look, because this is so hydrating and so lightweight. It just feels so good on my skin. So I'm using this foundation for today's look as, and honestly off camera as well, like in my daily life, I'm using this foundation a lot. I can't make it how much foundation is left. But yeah, I'm pretty sure I have finished a lot of it. I'm just using this foundation a lot. Almost every time I'm doing my makeup, I only pick this foundation. Can you see how luminous, how natural my face looks? You can still see my acne marks. So I just love using this one. I still have a lot of foundation left. I'm just dipping my sponge into this and applying this on my face. Now I'm just taking my concealer to get rid of all the pigmentation that I have on my face. I'm setting my base with the help of a translucent loose powder. This one is from Kaybeauty. I just like to apply very little amount of loose powder because excess of loose powder might dry out my skin, and I already have dry skin. Time to fill eyebrows, and I'm using my Masque eyebrow cake. This is one constant brow product that I keep using a million times because yeah, this is literally the best thing for my brows. Now let's do our eyes first and then we'll move to the rest of our face. So there was a time when I thought eyeliner was my must-have beauty products and I cannot do with eyeliner. So basically eyeliner was a very important part of my makeup. Now although I love wearing eyeliner, but it is definitely not must-have for me, and I can't believe I have not applied eyeliner on my eyes for the longest time. Like I don't even remember when did I apply eyeliner last, and it's the same one bottle from Chambor that I got last year, and it is still with me. It's still not over because I'm not using eyeliner that often, mainly because now I want my makeup to look very soft, very natural. I don't want any harsh thing or anything very, you know, pop on my face. That's what I feel for my everyday signature kind of makeup. So now what I do is I either put some eyeshadow, like a very neutral color, either very peachy one or a brown eyeshadow, or I simply take a black or a brown kajal, brown mostly, and I just put this like this in my lower lash line as well, and with my fingers I just make it soft. You can also use a brush to do this. I just use my fingers sometimes, and sometimes I also pick up a brush when I'm in a hurry. Now see, there's this brown color on my eyes, but it's not very sharp or very noticeable. It's very soft and diffused. So this is what I like these days on my eyes. If you need more intensity, you can always go back to your pencil. By the way, this is from Nykaa GlamorEyes in the shade Bronze Beam 08, and this is one of my favorite brown pencil that I've ever used. It just looks so beautiful. It just looks so stunning. Now just to make sure this kajal doesn't get smudged all over my eyelids, because my eyelids are literally very oily, what I do is I just dab my finger in this loose powder. I have hardly anything on my finger, and I just dab this. This will just mattify the whole kajal and it will make it smudge proof. To lift my eyelashes and make them more noticeable, because right now you can't even see them, I like to curl my eyelashes with this curler and then go on with a nice mascara, but somehow this curler just refused to work today. I don't know what happened. This is just not curling my eyelashes, so yeah, I guess I have to do without curling today. And I'm using this mascara, Lash Princess from Essence, and this is such a beautiful mascara. I just love this one, and also because this is not waterproof and it's just so easy to remove this mascara. I'm just applying multiple coats of this mascara to get that long voluminous eyelashes. How beautiful my eyes are looking right now. They are so soft and natural, and at the same time they don't look bare. They still have some color going. Now I'm just taking my Hoola bronzer to bronze up my face. I'm contouring my nose slightly with the help of this brush that comes with mini Hoola bronzer. I don't shy away from using generous amount of my blush, because honestly blush is such an important part of my makeup. Blush is something I cannot imagine my makeup without this. For some reason, I can just find this highlighter in my makeup collection. I don't know where the hell all other highlighters went. But anyway, I love this highlighter so much. Its packaging, the actual product, everything is just so bomb. And this one is from L'Oreal, in case you have not read from here. This is amazing, this is amazing. But I was just feeling like trying out some other highlighter, because it seems I'm just using this highlighter every time, and I have used it so much that there's this little dent in the product because of my usage, because you know I'm just pulling the product frequently. I don't think you can see it because it's like a slight dent, but for a highlighter it's a big thing. I'm lining my lips first, and for that I'm using Kaybeauty lip liner in the shade Fame. I'm using this amazing brown lip shade from Chambor. It is their Orosa Matte Perfection lipstick in the shade Choco Matte 935. This is such a stunning color and it just looks so beautiful on the face. To set everything in place, I'm using this mattifying spray from e.l.f. This is my signature slash everyday makeup look. This is what I wear most of the times. This looks so soft, wearable and beautiful, and certainly doesn't look over the top. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel before you leave and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I'm posting up a new video. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.